Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making Brazilian cheesy bread. Now, this recipe is super special to me. I was hired to work for the UFC event in Brazil. Hi, Dana. Super easy, super delicious. The recipe and the links to the products you see us using here will be in the description below, along with the link to our new cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie. And if you don't already know, we do have a Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. I'm ready to make this Brazilian cheesy bread. Let's get cooking.